Your question is how many parts, articles, and schedules was there in the original Indian Constitution? Your options are A 22 parts, 395 articles, and 8 schedules, B 24 parts, 450 articles, and 12 schedules, C 22 parts, 390 articles, and 8 schedules, or D 24 parts, 425 articles, and 12 schedules. Right answer is A 22 parts, 395 articles, and 8 schedules. Your question is Indian Constitution consists of. Your options are A 300 articles, B 350 articles, C more than 400 articles, or D 500 articles. Right answer is C more than 400 articles. Your question is there were originally how many articles in the Constitution of India? Your options are A 420, B 380, C 395, or D 270. Right answer is C 395. Question is the Indian Constitution comprises of. Your options are A 395 articles, 22 parts, and 12 schedules, B 371 articles, 21 parts, and 11 schedules, C 372 articles, 20 parts, and 7 schedules, or D 381 articles, 23 parts, and 8 schedules. Right answer is A 395 articles, 22 parts, and 12 schedules. Question is how many states and union territories were established by the 1956 State Reconstructing Act? Your options are A 14 states, 6 union territories, B 18 states, 9 union territories, C 22 states, 8 union territories, or D 21 states, 7 union territories. Right answer is A 14 states, 6 union territories. Question is total number of schedules in the Constitution is. Your options are A 12, B 16, C 8, or D 10. Right answer is A 12. Question is Indian Constitution has. Your options are A 9 schedules, B 12 schedules, C 10 schedules, or D 11 schedules. Right answer is B 12 schedules. Your question is consider the following statements. First, the Constitution of India has 20 parts. Second, there are 390 articles in the Constitution of India in all. Third, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th schedules were added to the Constitution of India by the Constitution Amendment Acts. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A, first and second, B, 2 only, C, 3 only, or D, 1, 2, and 3. Right answer is C 3 only. 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th schedules were added to the Constitution of India by the Constitution Amendment Acts. Question is the Indian Constitution is divided into. Your options are A 16 parts, B 22 parts, C 24 parts, or D 25 parts. Right answer is B 22 parts. The question is which part of Constitution contains provisions relating to citizenship? Your options are A part 1, B part 3, C part 2, or D part 4. Right answer is C part 2. Your question is which one of the following is not matched correctly? Your options are A citizenship part 2 of Constitution, B fundamental rights part 3 of Constitution, C fundamental duties part 4A of Constitution, or D state part 6 of Constitution. Right answer is C fundamental duties part 6A of Constitution. Your question is which one among the following is not correctly matched? Provision part of the Constitution. A citizenship part 2, B the union territories part 7, C the municipalities part 9A, or D elections part 15. Right answer is B the union territories part 7. Your question is which part of our constitution envisages a three-tier system of panchayats? Your options are A part 9, B part 10, C part 11, or D part 12. Right answer is A part 9. Your question is which part and chapter of the Indian Constitution deal with the legislative relation between the union and the states? Your options are A part 11 and chapter 1, B part 11 and chapter 2, C part 12 and chapter 1, or D part 12 and chapter 2. Right answer is A part 11 and chapter 1. Your question is which one of the following schedules of the Indian Constitution lists the names of states and specifies their territories? Your options are A first, B second, C third, or D fourth. Right answer is A first. Question is, which of the following are enshrined in the third schedule of Indian Constitution? First, form of oath of office for a minister for the Union. Second, form of oath to be made by the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Third, form of oath of office for the President of India. Fourth, form of oath to be made by a member of Parliament. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Code A 123, B 234, C 124 or D 1234. Right answer is C 124. Form of oath of office for a minister for the Union. Form of oath to be made by the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Form of oath to be made by a member of Parliament. Question is, fourth schedule of the Constitution of India deals with. Your options are A. Allocation of seats for the Council of States. B. Political defection. C. Panchayat system or D. Languages. Right answer is A. Allocation of seats for the Council of States. Your question is, if a new state of the Indian Union is to be created, which one of the following schedules of the Constitution must be amended? Your options are A. First, B. Second, C. Third or D. Fourth. Right answer is A. First. The question is, under which schedule of the Constitution of India can be transfer of tribal land to private parties for mining be declared null and void? Your options are A. 3rd schedule, B. 5th schedule, C. 9th schedule or D. 12th schedule. Right answer is B. 5th schedule. Your question is, which of the following is not correctly matched? Your options are A. Public Health and Sanitation State List, B. Census Union List, C. Allocation of seats in the Council of States 2nd Schedule or D. Anti-defection 10th Schedule. Right answer is C. Allocation of seats in the Council of States 2nd Schedule. Question is, which of the language is not included in the 8th Schedule of the Constitution? Your options are A. English, B. Hindi, C. Sanskrit or D. Urdu. Right answer is A. English. Question is, Coelho case is related to which schedule of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. 7th, B. 8th, C. 9th or D. 10th. Right answer is C. 9th. Question is, to give constitutional protection, state land reforms laws have been included in the. Your options are A. 7th schedule, B. 9th schedule, C. 8th schedule or D. 10th schedule. Right answer is B. 9th schedule. The question is, match the following. First, union list. Second, state list. Third, concurrent list. A. 97 entries, B. 47 entries, C. 66 entries. Union list 97 entries, state list 66 entries, concurrent list 47 entries. Question is, under the Constitution of India, economic planning is a subject. Your options are A. in the state list, B. in the union list, C. in the concurrent list or D. not specified in any list. Right answer is C. in the concurrent list. Question is, prevention of cruelty to animals is listed in which list of the Indian Constitution? Your options are A. union list, B. state list, C. concurrent list, D. preamble or E. none of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is C. concurrent list. Your question is, which of the following entry is subject of concurrent list? Your options are A. population control and family planning, B. public health and sanitation, C. per person tax or D. treasure travel. Right answer is A. population control and family planning. Question is, which of the following is the subject of concurrent list? Your options are A. police, B. criminal matters, C. radio and television or D. foreign affairs. Right answer is B. criminal matters. Your question is, which of the following subject lies in the concurrent list? Your options are A. agriculture, B. education, C. police or D. defense. Right answer is B. education. Question is, which list and entry of 7th schedule of Indian Constitution is related to election of the legislature of the state? Your options are A. list 1 entry 72, B. list 2 entry 27, C. list 2 entry 37 or D. list 3 entry 32. Right answer is A and C, list 1 entry 72 and list 2 entry 37.